back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Dollar Tree vacation edition. My family is out swimming right now, so I thought I could do a video real quick. Yeah, we went to two different Dollar Trees. The first Dollar Tree we went to was just right down the road from our hotel. It was okay. It was just an average, kind of small Dollar Tree. I didn't find really anything cool. Then we went to another Dollar Tree last night, and it was awesome. They had stuff in there that I've never seen before. Like, they had tons of, like, little donut, like, you know, the Little Debbies and all that fun stuff. I'm like, holy crap, they have so much stuff. And then they had a ton of the candles that I've been searching for, the strawberries and cream candles. They had a ton of them, but I couldn't get them because I don't want to, like, fly them back with all the weight, plus they got broken. But we have gotten a lot of snacks and a lot of food, so I'm here to show you guys what I got. My son ended up getting a bucket. He's playing with it in the pool, just a regular bucket, and then he got one of those squirter things. And then he also had another bucket, but I haven't been able to see it. It might be still lost in the car. But here are the items that we got that I still scrounged around for. We ended up getting the Max Block After Sun Aloe Vera. It is super hot out here. We haven't gotten sunburnt yet. Today is day 4 of our vacation, and we haven't got sunburnt yet, but we've been really applying sunscreen on like crazy. But we got this just in case. My husband did get burnt, so this helped him out a lot. Had to get a pop, you know, why not? So I ended up just getting mug root beer so we could take that to the beach. I ended up getting glow sticks. I'm sorry if you guys can't see me very well. I'm using my camera that I can't see myself, so I have no idea if I'm in the picture or not, so you guys will just have to bear with me. But I ended up getting these glow sticks. Now, I was going to get these to bring to Disney with us, but right before we walked out the door, my son opened the package and pretty much snapped them all in half, so we didn't have any glow sticks for Disney World. But that's fine. We still played with them for a little bit in our room. My husband found these, and I've never found these ever at the Dollar Tree. They're Stacker Extreme Energy drinks. So this one is Gyrating Grape, and then this one is Enraged Raspberry, but they're both exactly the same, just one's a different size than the other. So I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree. They had like a whole section with like cooler, like a whole, I should have taken a picture of it actually, but it was a circular cooler thing with just tons of soda and drinks. It was crazy. We ended up getting some Gatorade. My husband took the yellow one with him. I like the red one. But we just need to keep hydrated, and we're going to Legoland later today, so I thought this would be great to take with us on the trip. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. I guess I never really looked, but the husband found them right away. These are Puffy Crisp Cookie Biscuits. I don't know, fillets or whatever. He actually really likes these, so he's been eating these all week long. I've never seen the packaging for it, but you know what? If he likes them and they're for $1, go for it. So we got that. This is awesome, you guys. I can't believe this. We found Stacy's pita chips. He found Simply Naked. He wanted these ones. I've never seen like a small bag of these before. They had like a whole aisle of snacks that I've never seen before. I found the Ritz Crisp and Thins. I actually really like these. So yeah, couldn't go wrong with that. I should have taken pictures, but I never did. I saw these and I had to get them because I haven't seen them where I'm at, and I'm obsessed with ice cream. So these are just hand towels that say "Life is Sweet" with ice cream cones. So I had to get 2 of them because they're super soft, and who doesn't like ice cream? So definitely got those to bring home. Yes, I love black licorice. I've been eating these for a while. They're actually really fresh. When licorice is super soft to squeeze, that means they're super fresh. So got those. I found my in-laws are obsessed with coffee, and I found this magnet that said "A yawn is a silent scream for coffee," and I thought that'd be kind of a cute little thing to give them, you know. So I got that just for a souvenir because I haven't seen it, and that was the only one that they had. Then I always look for movies no matter what Dollar Tree I go to, because you never know what you're going to find. That's always what I try to find it. You guys never know if your stores have any left. They're sometimes up by the registers, or they are up by the electronics area, like where the headphones and stuff are at. But we found this Hot Wheels Battle Force 5 Fused. There's 10 episodes in this. I thought why not? It's something to do with Hot Wheels, and I thought maybe Ben would be interested in something like this. I'm like, why not? And then this is Theodore Rex. I can't remember if I've ever seen this movie. It might sound lame, but for $1, you can't go wrong. And this has actually got a nice case to it, which I'm actually pretty excited for the Dollar Tree cases. Some of those are so flimsy, it's crazy. But it's got Whoopi Goldberg, and it looks like one of the dinosaurs, actually from the show Dinosaurs. I mean, maybe it's from the same creators, but I thought this would be a good movie to watch while we're coming back from our trip, because I can watch something. It's only a 2 hour and 15-minute flight, so I had to go with those. But yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I know I'm missing quite a few items, but most of the stuff that we got were just snacks and everything, so we've been eating those on our trips. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I got, so you know, you guys could look for certain things if you're looking for certain items. But yeah, that by far was probably one of the best Dollar Trees I've ever been to. So I was pretty excited about that. Yep, we're going to Legoland later today, but by the time you guys watch this video, we'll be heading home. So we are having a great trip so far. It's awesome. Ben's having a good time. So yes. But I just want to say thanks you guys for watching. Give that video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys all whenever for my next Dollar Tree video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.